HobbyFamily TV!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Smash 'em, Fist Flyers! Dudes! There's so much trash in the sewer. Look at the wall. It's full of trash. Can you help me clean it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's take out the trash. Pun totally intended, dude. Let's have Hobby Kid give it a try. Woohoo! You did it, Hobby Kid! Hey, now with all the trash knocked down, we need to put it in the trash can. Thanks for helping me clean up today, Hobby Kids. Stay tuned for some more Smashems, Trash Pack, and Lego Duplo action. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.